Hi there, this is my tour of the virtual house I built in Second Life. Without further ado, let me take you around and show you my house. This is my house looks from outside. I'll take you around. This is how it looks from outside. And first of all, starting from the name board, when I click on the name board, it says I am Afkhan's name board. Hello Muhammad Ahamed. Muhammad Ahamed is my avatar name, and that's why it gets there, because whoever comes and clicks on the board, the avatar's name will be printed and he will be greeted. Okay, now let's take a look inside my house. Starting from the entrance, if this is the entrance, when you go in, there's a small pond over here. When you touch it, it will show a small water flowing effect. This is my entrance, the main door. This door is actually opened using a password. We have to type the password in the 140 channel. I say open, and it opens. And I have set this to automatically close in 5 seconds. That's because when I just use the password, it opens and then closes. Okay, let's go in. Okay, the door is open. As you go in, from when you're inside, there is no use to use a password because there is a switch here. That switch is used to open the door, and that doesn't have a timer. So if you click the switch, the door opens at once, and then it stays open. And if you press it again, it closes. Okay, for now let's leave this open. Okay, continuing, and this side you can see my garage door, which is the door where you can enter the garage from the inside of the house. When you touch on the garage door, it opens. It automatically closes. It has a timer of 3 seconds. And if you go in, this is the garage. You can see this is the garage. Okay, let me come back to this place later. And we'll go to the upstairs of the house. This is the upstairs. Here you can see I have built a small sofa. And here on this floor I have a big window here. If you go closer to the window, and when you touch, you have a collision with the wall, it says nice view. This is using the collision function. And next we'll go into the bedroom. Here I have built a bed here and a small table here and a random object here. Okay, when we go near the bed, it says it's the bed. It's the primitive says it's the bed, and here there is a small lamp. This is the switch for the lamp. When you click on the switch, the light turns on and it again turns off. This is a magazine on the table. When you click on the magazine, it shows what's inside the magazine. This is actually using a note card. You can either keep it or discard it. For now, I'll discard this one and exit. And this pyramid object here, this is just an object. This is just a decorative for the room. When I click on the object, it gives me 3 choices. Actually, these are lists. This is a list. So when I click green, it changes the color to green. And when I click red, it changes the color to red. And next is the room lights. Here you can see there is a small switch here. When I click on the switch, the lights on the roof get lit up on the ceiling, and when you click on it again, it gets turned off. Simply, it's a switch. Now, okay, we are done with this floor. Let me take you to the roof, which is the top floor. We should go this way. This is the roof. You can see I have built a swimming pool with some beach beds here lying around. Here, if you just touch the pool, it will give a water effect. And if you try to get into the pool,